YouTube. Welcome to Big T Show. I'm Big T.
I'm Derek.
So we had a part 4, but the computer skills bit us again. So we're just going to explain where we're at. We're pretty much done Derek's. We finally got the sprocket. So we had to hone that out a little bit to fit our shaft. It was a 13/16, so we got a 3/4, but no big deal. So we're going to put that on, put the chain on, and then we're going to test this one and this one, and we're going to go from there. And I kind of lost a lot of that video, but I'm going to try to make a video and it'll just be all sped up. There's like 9 hours of us doing stuff. So, But here, this is where we're at, and this is low budget. We built them from scrap. Everything is just what we've had besides the tracks lying around the house, and I think
everything was free anyway.
Pretty much everything was free that we used. And I think altogether we're about $120 a piece to build these. So yeah. I think our biggest expense was probably the clutches. And those were what, $84 a piece?
Yeah.
Cables $20.
Fix that, but anyway.
Cable, and then sprockets and chain, that was another $20, $40. We got 10 feet of chain, so we'll have extra chain. So like $120 a piece, and there's the odd thing here and there that we bought, like just small. So other than that, we're ready to rock and roll. So let's get going. We're gonna Derek's gonna weld the sprocket onto the
housing.
I don't know what's that called.
Collar.
Yeah. And then we're gonna weld the collar right onto my shaft, put the chain on, and we're gonna go for a rip. Let's get at her. Ooh, I'm not kidding, that is hot. Hot. Looks good to me, boss.
Alright, tighten down the set screws and make sure.
Yep. Actually, I'm going to do that with the chain on. Can you pass me the keys there? Thank you. Yep. Good?
It's on there, yep. Do a little bit more welding.
Yeah. Do that back too.
I'll do this side. a little bit and see if we can get some play.
Get it to tilt up.
Yeah, and then push it down again.
You know what? We got that idler. Let's have fun making that.
Okay. So that's, oh, we got it.
Well, we have to take that one out too, don't we?
Yeah.
Shit.
I just don't know if I cut the right one or not. That's my problem. Get this pin out.
Yep. Okay.
Whoa, so you know what it looks like?
I've seen it where it pulls it and yeah.
It's like a 2-gear puller.
Yep.
And it just pushes the pin right out. Okay.
Go back a little bit your way. You're happy there. Can we do it?
That's fucking hot.
That's what I was saying. Let's.
Actually, we can't do this. Let's.
Yep. Yep.
I need a straight and chain stretcher. You got one of those?
I do not, but I have an idea.
You got some needle nose pliers?
Yep. How did you know my idea?
I don't know. No, no. Yeah, go to this one.
To that one?
Yeah, you have to. And then go to that one. Yep.
There we go. Oh, tight enough. Jesus. And you need those needle nose to push that on.
Yes, please.
Bing, bang, boom. Look at how tight. Oh, Jesus.
Now
Beautiful.
I'm jealous.
Hey?
I'm jealous now.
Why are you
Because
jealous?
yours is tighter than mine.
Oh, that's what she said. Are we ready to take this thing for a rip? I think so.
I think so. I gotta move my truck and.
Well, you don't trust our work?
I don't trust you running into it.
I'm up with the dog in the house and we'll be back. All right. Chains on. Choke.
This one needs a little bit warm up.
Yeah. We got fuel.
Yeah, we topped it up. Got a little bit of carburetor work to do, but it works good. Oh, all right. I need to see a leg. I need to see a leg. Look at those socks. Those are awesome.
has no problem going through that stuff.
Let's go have some fun. Well, what do you guys think? Pretty cool? Yeah, you like them?
Yeah.
Here we are at the ice shack testing them out. There's our ice shack. I think that's going to be the end of this video. They work. Maybe we'll make another video when we're take them out to another. Where are we going to go with them? Burnt Timber.
Burnt timber, I think, yeah.
I think we're going to do a winter camping trip here, and we'll take them out to Burnt Timber and pull everything out with them. We got to see how good they pull. We'll see you later.